Hey everyone, it's Jeremiah again. Today out in Los Angeles. This home always struggled, had a in-wall heating system for the home, original 1900s home here in LA. Had one little addition way back when on it, and now we're doing a bigger addition. So we're getting Warmboard throughout the entire home. This will be with our comfort system, natural gas boiler that's gonna go on the outside of the house, and a nice kind of waterproofed enclosed shed. And then we've already got panels put in today, so that's great news. Tubing's in. You can see behind me there, we have filler panels for the island and kitchen cabinetry is gonna go. So that's always included as part of our design of where to put filler panels where we know we're never gonna need heat and warm sections of that floor. So that's done. And then we went through the whole home. One neat thing that we do quite a bit is obviously shower pans. We did the shower pan, it's a curbless shower pan. So they drop that down to the joist, get the tubing in there. So you always have the same foot feel and comfort throughout the entire home. So great project. We got more insulation going in this home that's ever had in its life. Definitely a halfway point of construction, but looking great. Can't wait to see this project go. And I know the homeowner is going to be very, very excited.